face. Swear we got them better numbers, come and get it cheap. Ballin' out the bar, bitch, come and Derek Jeter. Poppy with this pocket rocket, straight torpedo. You could catch me up in traffic, check my mirrors when I'm sliding. Wide body.
That's no walls.
You got a kid on that motherfucker. On me, dude.
Yeah, you do.
He said as he stopped, that nigga said, hell nah. Yeah, that motherfucker sexy as hell.
He was like, he wanted to tip.
Nissan GTR.
Look at him, look. The boys definitely ain't no
Boy, that's center of attention right now.
Pulling up with them, nigga. We with them.
Right, exactly. We with them.
We with them, nigga.
Oh my god.
Come on, this game.
Ask him his top speed. Pull up next to him.
So what's your top speed?
Tell him you got it too.
They gonna say motherfucker 180. That bitch got the kid on that motherfucker. Let me see that bitch. Yeah, God. Let me see that bitch. That bitch raised up and down.
Hey, what's your top speed?
220. Hey, these niggas outside. Yeah. Hey, that motherfucker right there, that motherfucker pretty. Motherfucker done let down. Look how close it is to the ground. It got the kid on that motherfucker. What's up? Yeah, what's up?
Having some fun.
Yeah,
I like
yeah.
that, man. Having some fun.
That motherfucker look good.
She is pretty.
That wide body.
I'm like, oh my god.
I was riding
But that
behind.
pavement's pretty too, man. I think I'm living a dream, but then I see that pavement. I'm like, okay, I wake the fuck up.
Hey, on me, look at this guy. That motherfucker look. Bro, look how close it is to the ground. Bro.
You got an Instagram.
On me. Hey, what's your Instagram? Where can we find y'all boys at? YouTube, something? Oh no. That's a GTR. A GTR, like a Skyline. A new one though. Alright, what you say it was? I'm gonna type it in.
RON.
Alright.
Dot rocket.
Is that the car? Dot what?
Dot rocket.
I'm embarrassed to get in my van.
Yeah, this definitely dude right here. Man, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, if you had a car meets out in city though.
Oh,
you got that Lexus too?
You got this little Lexus and shit?
You got that Lexus?
That's the old car.
Oh.
That ain't got this.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, good
Okay.
trade.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, I already know shit went up, dude. Man, that shit crazy.
Hey, that motherfucker there. He's got the wide.
Yeah, that gonna go crazy.
What kind of rims on there? You got the green calibers. Let me see the camera. I know he ain't gonna trip if I get a close video. You got the green calibers and shit. That motherfucker look good. Look how close it is to the ground. Right. Look how you see how close it is to the ground?
Well, he adjusted it down.
Yeah. It's got like the green calibers. Nah, that you could
No way in the world you can.
yeah, you can't drive it around like that. You had to let it up and down. Or that wide body on that mud. With the quiet pipes. Nah, these boys outside. Get that bitch lift up. Y'all boys be safe, man. Oh, hell yeah. Here, record.
Hold on, wait for it. We finna go.
Wait for it.
You gotta raise it real quick anyway.
You gonna raise it now?
Raise it, you heard me? That motherfucker, look how old that bitch straight sitting.
Oh my god. Yep.
Wow, why that motherfucker is in the back? For 50 bands now, got that motherfucker real quick.
Don't know where the hell we going, but we slide.
Trade tickets to their mansion and shit.
Old Fallon.
Winsfield.
I ain't got no gas.
So my buddy, why did you get gas? We were just there.
I wouldn't get no quick trip, man.
Exactly.
I got 50 miles though. That's decent.
Yeah, it's decent. Not no V8 though.
Oh my God, come on, Lamborghini GTR. Oh, I knew he was gonna do me like that.
Exactly.
He ain't do me like that.
It's hard. That's hard. That's crazy.
That shit just make you want to get him, dog. I just, I think one Lamborghini, bro. That shit just make you want to get him.
Early GTR.
What did GTO is?
I think behind you now.
I don't know what the fuck his headlights look like.
Like that, and honestly, that's what's funny.
Playing ball.
Yeah, he right here.
GTR here.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hard.
They chilling for real.
Take it off at being rebels.
GTR right here. They chilling for real. Oh, yeah, they. I ain't got the gas light in the middle.
Oh, okay. Turbo. That bitch got a turbo. That one sound crazy. He straight got a turbo with this shit. He make me want to turbo my shit. Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, damn. I bet that bitch is spit fire. That bitch pressure.
Oh, yeah. It's slime, bro. Hey, man, these days.
Get next to that.
In a minute, we finna be getting
That bitch is a race car.
Bro, straight race
ready.
car.
Race car for real.
Oh my god, bro! Bro, oh my god, bro! I need one of these. Oh my fucking god, bro!
Like that car.
Yeah,
Real one, for my real one.